Joe Beermaster here with another quick video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'm going to show you on the Ford EcoSport where the battery location is and how to jump start. Always refer to manufacturer's instructions, use safety precautions, etc. So under the hood on the driver's side, that's where the battery location is. It's under this bracket. There's a fuse box here or connection center there, and then we have the battery under here. So first I'm going to show you where the battery is. So you have to take these wires off here, then use a 10mm here to get this bracket off. That looks like a 10mm also, and there's one underneath there. So once you get them off, that bracket will come off, and then you disconnect here the negative and the positive. I'm looking for that. That's under here, so you're gonna have to remove this fuse box. And I'm just gonna take a look in here real quick. And then there's your other connection right there for the positive. So this will come up. This box, you may have to loosen these, or at least that one there, to get that off. Doesn't look like it's holding nothing. It's probably the hold down. So once you get that off, you could remove the battery, but like I said, always refer to manufacturer instructions. If you want to jump start it, it looks like Ford put this positive connection here. So that would be your positive, and then you would have to use the black wire to a ground wire, or you could actually go to there. They made that simple, but again, refer to manufacturer instructions. That's the simple of it. And that's it. Joe Beermaster, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Simple video, simple solutions. Thanks for watching.